Hello kids! Today we just found some Easter eggs and we're gonna be going over here to open the Easter eggs. Now, first we'll start from the princess. Misha, you wanna go first? Okay, my little sister is going first. Misha. I wanna call her Misha.
Wait, what is that? Is that a stamp?
Oh. Okay, Misha, don't scream. Okay, today's kind of rainy day. Oh, what kind of stamp did you get?
Poppy.
Oh, she got Poppy's friend. Okay, Misha, take it. Okay, good. She just opened her egg again. Okay. Look at Poppy's best friend. But he's kind of not happy. Misha, you can put it back in the egg now.
Flip it down.
Now, just let her close the egg. Okay. Wow, look at this egg. Isn't it so cute? Okay, it's time to open it. I'm gonna ask my dad to open it. Dad, can you help me open it? I can't open it. Wait. I think I got it. Dad, I got it.
Good.
Okay. Oh,
Good.
okay, I can't wait.
Baby.
Oh, wow,
my
there's gotta like put that in.
What is that thing?
What is this? Oh, it's LOL. There's a lot of stickers here.
Oh my God! Could I?
They're
have
actually stickers mission.
it? Yeah.
Oh, what is this?
Hey.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Whoa.
Okay, Miss, you want the princess sticker? Actually, I want to keep this sticker. Okay, Missy, you want the LOL sticker? Missy, this is the LOL sticker.
Wait, what is this?
I have no idea. Wait a minute.
I know what that is. We can put one of these.
Oh, we could put this on. We could put these on. Like, we could put the stickers on this. So
Can I have it?
Okay, Missy, you go first, but don't put it over here. I want to put it over.
You want to put yours over there or there? You did it.
What is it? Oh my gosh, you got sticker. But
Beautiful. I like it. Guys, you like it?
okay, now
You said a yes. Then.
give a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like it, then just give a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe if you like it. Oh, wow, I got a ball.
Nice, I like it. But I want to open this one.
See, look at my ball.
I want to open this one.
Kind of looks like that chewy candy. Just kidding. Okay,
I
wait.
wanted to open
Right now we
this.
can't. Misha, no. Misha, now it's your turn.
Which one should I open?
Uh,
Oh, wait.
You already opened that. Oh, she's opening a dinosaur egg that says her name.
It's mine.
Oh, wait. You're opening something that already says your name.
Uh-huh. It's my own. I got
Yes.
it from my school.
Maybe the Easter Bunny gave you it.
Yeah.
Today there was an Easter Bunny at my school. But he was in the line. I saw his costume. It was not a real bunny. Plus, the real bunny left some stuff inside. So I found these inside my school. Even though my sister had an Easter hat. Okay, then open it.
Oh, no. Sticker.
Oh, she has a sticker on her.
Whoa.
Got keep going.
Is that tape?
Yeah, I think that was tape.
Zip. What are you doing, Taylor?
I'm doing a dance. I'm making music with garbage.
What are you doing with the garbage?
I'm.
Oh, it's a candy?
Whoa! Is it, can I see that candy? What kind of candy is it?
Oh, I
Okay.
want to eat it. Can I eat
Oh,
it?
those are kisses. Yum.
I love kisses.
They're my favorite. Okay.
Yeah.
How do you open this, Misha?
Get out, little Tabby.
Misha, can you share some with me?
Of course.
I'm gonna share so cute.
Oh, that's so cute. Yeah.
Oh no! I can't eat. I think my
Wow, it's a little tiny kid. I would try it. You want it? So sound.
Give it to me then.
I like it though.
Should I have a try?
No. Yummy.
Okay. Alright. Guys, should we throw it away?
I think I'll just put this
Let's have a try.
black.
Which one do you want me to open?
I
This red one or this bunny
I want
one?
the bunny.
Actually, Misha, maybe there's... Oh, wow, look at
Can I
this.
choose up? Can I have the ball?
Oh, wait, the ball,
I
no.
want the ball.
Misha, you can just have this. Misha, you already have a purple ball of that. You already have a purple version. We just took a turn. Now, my little sister gave me this, but now it's time for it to go.
Bye bye.
How do you, wait. First, you guys gotta see it. Do you want to see it? Look. Squish, squish.
Wow.
Oh, Misha, can I have it back? Thanks.
Wow, guys, there's a lot of stickers. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There's something else. Look at their okay. Just put this back in here.
No, show it to them. Misha, can you show it to them?
Look at them. I want to these.
One is upside down.
One is upside down, and I want to see this. It's so pretty.
Okay. Okay, guys, which one do you want me to open next? The bunny or this?
I don't know.
I want to open the golden egg. It was kind of magical. Come on, can't you open golden egg? Whoa. Whoa, it's a LOL sticker.
Oh my gosh.
And look at these other stickers.
Where is it?
Oh my gosh.
She might,
Oh, I like Mickey Mouse.
she might be on
I watch it all the time.
She might be on this.
Oh, it's so fun.
There she is.
Maybe so let me put it inside your sticker collection.
Thanks.
Actually, I'm keeping it inside mine. Yeah. Just first, let me show you
there
this.
she is.
These two
She's
Mickey Mouse and Donkey.
Let her show me that. LOL.
Okay, look. Oh my God, they're so cute.
There she is.
Oh, I said this Mickey Mouse one. This Mickey Mouse one looks kind of funny. Look at this sticker. I almost forgot to show you it real quick. Now look. Now let's put this in. Photosynthesis.
Which one should I go? Oh my gosh, the bracelet. What was that noise?
Oh, Miss has the sour candy again. Ugh. Too sour. Today the cold day. I'm getting real cold.
Super awesome.
Miss,
That's the bag.
Miss.
Oh my god. Hey, do you know what it is?
Okay, guys, now this is the last egg I'm going to open. Miss is going to have more fun time with you guys.
And I'm gonna let you have mine.
Oh, it's kind of pointy. Oh, this tape is kind of sticky. Come on, go away, sticky tape. How do you... Can you come up now? No, I think I'm getting it right.
Oh, good.
Now,
Good.
I just opened it.
Good girl.
All I have is stickers. Oh my gosh, actually, I'm just so excited about it. Look, Elsa sticker, butterfly sticker.
Oh, I love butterflies.
Now, this. Look at the Elsa
my
sticker.
God, I just
No,
got a
I fall,
collection
but
of
not
stickers.
today. Let go. Okay, now, butterfly. It used to be a caterpillar.
This is so hard.
Oh, there's gonna be yolk.
Wow. It's so
Look at her yolk.
sweet. Look at that. It's so cute. You like
Oh, stealing eggs is kind of good. This is from your green egg. No way.
Oh, I forgot about you guys. But look, it's so cute. Do you like it? The kitty?
Oh, it's a kind of...
I don't know how.
Oh, guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, what is a sticker? Thanks, Misha. No, my little sister gave me a sticker from her sticker collection just now. She made a sticker collection with all those. I'll try my best. Oh, oh my gosh, he's actually walking.
Wow, so cool.
Guys, you want him to walk again?
Oh,
Give
you
a
did
thumbs
say
up. Give a thumbs up if you do.
Did you guys give a thumbs up?
Okay, good. Actually, we'll give you some more time.
Just think.
Okay, did you guys give us a thumbs up? Thank you if you did. Over there. I go stop him before he does. He's too close. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh, good. Now, okay, let's put him back inside my big egg.
Hi, what's this one about?
You got...
What is these? What are these? Oh, a cute little bear. Oh my gosh, a nice ball and a bear. Look at this.
Misha, don't forget to introduce this. Wait, you got the same thing as me, Misha?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, I'm going to open this yellow egg. It's because Misha's favorite color is yellow. And I'm going to open this because Misha loves pink more than yellow.
I don't know what's this one.
How do we... Oh,
Oh no.
oh no, I hate this. Wait, it says Super Cola. Misha, can I open it? Actually, I'm just going to open it.
Hey, I can open it for you.
Oh, thanks. Okay, we just put that inside water. It turned into Coca-Cola. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Should we try it later?
I don't know.
Okay, let's try that in the next video.
It's
No, Misha, this is my egg. Misha, this is my egg. Okay, now we are going to open this egg together. It's because it's both of our favorite colors. Oh, Misha, no, you can't put anything on it. Okay, I already have a sticker. Now, Misha, let's open it. Oh, okay, let's open it. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, open. Oh my gosh, it's a ring. But who should have it? Oh, I'm keeping that.
Could I have that one?
You already had something. You
yeah.
already touched it.
Why is the red one?
See? Now, guys, we have the same stuff. Now we can play together. Me and my little sister can play. Now,
My name is Little Boy.
bye, kids. Please like and subscribe to our channel.
Let's put these up them.
Oh, no, please like and subscribe to our channel. You can squeeze this if you like.
Here we go.